Hi good people of YouTube! Welcome to yet another edition of Willy's Garage. Today it's time to build the box. I need a power supply for the Spindle. I have one here, 0 to 60 volts. This is a cooling fan to cool the TB6560s and all the electronics. I also have speed control for this fan. I have a temperature display that shows the temperature inside the box. This is the 24 volts 15 amperes power supply for the stepper motors and other electronics. This is the power socket plug. The Arduino Uno, of course, going in the back. And here you see the cable inputs in the back. Here I also have a 12 volt DC for the Arduino Uno. And these are the top and the bottom plates. If you like this series, please subscribe to my channel and comment if you have any questions. I also have a Facebook page and Twitter. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.